Okay, so good morning, everyone, and welcome to the RAT Foundation website. So this video is going to show you how you can find events and how you can navigate this website. So all Vector Robotics events that are hosted at St Andrews, as well as at other schools in Thailand, our open platform competitions, as well as our hackathons, are all going to be hosted through this one central website. So here you'll be able to see a video overlay from the October 4th RAT Open, which was our first event. And you'll be able to navigate these videos and see what's happening this season and look at the different events. So I'm going to go to our events page right now, and I'm going to select on all events. I'm going to show you how you can register for these events. Now, right now, it's showing only the current events which you can register for. So you got the VEX IQ Panda Robotics Cup, which is held at ICSN. If you select on registered teams, you'll be able to see who is registered. This is where you should be registering for that event. And this video is focused on the RAT Open, which is on May 16th next year, where we'll be welcoming 40 teams for the RAT Open. So I'm going to click onto this event. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it. So as you know, on October 4th and on our events page, if you go on to RAT Open, you'll be able to find the October 4th event, and this was version 1 of the Helter Skelter event. Now, on May 16th, 2026, we have got Helter Skelter version 2, and also we've got the RAT Run. So that means there is an open platform competition. There are a total of 8 different structures. 5 weeks before the competition day, we will release the new game. We've now split it into 2 divisions, ages 7 to 12 and ages 13 to 18. We can support up to 40 teams for both Helter Skelter V2 and also RAT Run. Now, just in case you're thinking like, do I enter teams for, both of the challenges? Absolutely. So you can have one team that focuses just on Helter Skelter V2, one team that focuses just on RAT Run. Maybe you'll have teams that are strong enough where they can have 2 different robots and they can do the Helter Skelter challenge and the RAT Run. So that's very much up for you to decide. You'll be able to find some more information on this page here. We're able to support up to 40 teams for this event. This is going to be held at St Andrews International School. You can see the registration deadline. You can see the cost or the registration price here. Now, if you need to get in touch with us, obviously you can see the email here. Use our contact form. I am now going to show you how to register for events. So if you're logging in for the very first time, you can log in. Okay, it's showing my admin details there. So you can log in using either Google or Microsoft. Okay, and if we select onto Google, I will be able to log in as a school. You can see I'm using STEAM Labs as an example here. So this is how you would be able to register your school. You'll be able to find our privacy policy in the website. So all of your accounts, when you're logging in through Google or Microsoft, we recommend this. This means you're protected by 2-factor authentication. Now, when you're logged in for the first time, you're going to have this dashboard here. So school dashboard and school settings. So I'm going to select on school dashboard. So I'm going to add in STEAM Labs, Technology and Robotics Studio. And it is steamlabs.co.th. My number is this. I've got no problem sharing that because I think all of you know my phone number. I'm going to put in a dummy address here. Okay, city is Bangkok, and the straight registration code is going to be SL. So I want STEAM Labs to identify as SL. Okay, so I'm going to press continue and see if I can register. And here, what you'll be able to see now is that I've been able to fully register my school, and there is one teacher, which is going to be me. So if you've got other teachers that you want to be able to log into the RAT Foundation website and register, you can add in them teacher and also teacher email here. and it will send the invitation to them. So they'll also be able to manage teams that are registering for different events. Underneath school settings here, you're going to be able to see I've got my email domain that's set up, my school name, my location, and I'm identifying as SL here. Okay, I've saved my registration code, and it says changing the registration code will affect future teams. Existing teams will keep their current numbers. So once your school is registered, we've now got RAT SL-A. That's how we're going to register your teams. So let's get on to events, and let's get myself registered for the first event of the year. So I'm going to go into all events, and hopefully this allows you to see the functionality. So I'm going to register one of my teams on here, and I'm going to say register team. Now it looks like I don't have any teams right now, so I'm going to need to create them. So my team name is going to be SL Ratball. It can be whatever you want, and it's going to be Coach Rob and Kay. And because this isn't an REC tournament, right? This is for RAT Open, but if you were registering for one of our VEX events, you would get this option: are you REC registered? So if I was REC registered and it was for a VEX tournament, it would allow me to enter my registration number. Okay, that is your registration number that you identify under REC. But I'm going to say no for this because it's for the RAT Open. I'm going to select on Create Team. And now you're going to be able to add other information here. And we've designed this website and this backend so it's very, very user-friendly. And here you'll be able to download a CSV template and update all of your participant information like student names, their grade levels, if they've got dietary requirements, so you don't need to add everybody one by one. So let us know how that functionality works out for you, but hopefully that will be nice and easy. And going back to events, I've now got my team registered. I want to register them for the RAT Open May 16th, showing you the functionality of the website. I'm going to select my team that I want to enter, and I can enter any dietary requirements for them. Do they need any special assistance? No, they don't. We want 1 bus for parking and additional comments. This is a test to show you how to register. Okay, and once you are registered, we will find a way to invoice you. RAT Foundation is now up and running in Thailand. We are just opening bank accounts now. So as you start to register, we will start telling you, what you need to do in order to pay us for the registration fee for the RAT Open event on May 16th. This is our registration video and demo of our website. Hopefully this has been helpful for you, and super excited to welcome all of you on May 16th, 2026 for Helter Skelter V2 and the RAT Run.